Okay, you guys, I made it into Kohl's. So Kohl's, 20% off, and you know these do light up. So you know you're gonna take a 10% off when you $10 off when you spend 50. If there's a coupon online, 20% off. Okay, so here we go. Here's the price. These are really cute, right? They do light up. They light up and they have glitter in them. They have the tree one. Oh, this one's kind of cool. It's a kind of cool candle holder. Kind of reminds me of Bath and Body Works, right? Oh, it turns. Oh, that's cool.
That's cool. It's got
Really?
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
The snowman, yeah, he is really, really cute.
They don't put prices on these darn things, so you get.
They're normally at the
I
tag.
guess if these are the.
It looks like this is 50.
Oh, that has a tag?
$40. So
Okay.
the gingerbread
I
train.
see where they have it.
I like how it lights up the gumdrops. Isn't that cute? Look. So
Those are
50 is 40. If it's 40, it's $32.
So all this top shelf, these are all the $40 ones that are now $32.
Here's a little chapel. This one's
Oh,
50.
that one's. Oh, this one is 50.
The candle one. This one might be 50 down here. It is 50, yep.
Yeah, the only exception was that train. That was 50.
And gingerbread, 50. I like the train though,
I like the train too.
because it lights up.
The train's up here with the 40, but but it's 50. But yeah, it's oh, look, the wheels move too.
Oh, they do? That's
Yeah.
cool.
It's funny.
Oh, look at this countdown. This is cute. Adorable. Adorable.
We need a good countdown. We have that wooden one that like is falling apart.
We got Santa. I like that. These are cute. Let me walk over here. This one's 50. So yeah, it makes it 40.
Countdown
That's
is
cute.
50 as well.
Yeah. Okay, they have the homes. They have the bakery. These are all by St. Nicholas. Let me show you the pricing.
Usually have good houses.
Bakery, a little pizzeria, Hilltop Cafe, coffee shop, little figures, kind of like Michael's, right? And there's like, let me walk this way. Oh, look, this is like Winnie, Donald Duck. They have a gingerbread carousel, Winnie the Pooh,
That's cute.
letters to Santa.
And this
Stitch.
moves, it's just not for me.
Look at this Stitch one.
These are neat.
Snow cone. Those are cool.
It's battery operated.
And then here's the pricing. How much is letters to Santa?
Oh, the
Let's
carousel's
see.
100.
$40. So 40 makes it 32. The carousel's gonna be 100, which makes it 80. So that's 80.
It's funny that the Stitch house is $10 less than the carousel.
The carousel makes music though, and it moves.
That's true.
It's just broken. Got a little bow, peace wreath. I kind of like that peace wreath. Oh,
They
that's
actually
cute.
incorporated little lights into this one.
That's cute.
Cool. Yeah.
And this one's 100, little train. Then Mickey's bookstore. It's funny.
That light. I
Look,
wish
they have
light-
Donald Duck with a snow globe. Oh, look, there's the chipmunks. What are their names?
Oh, Chip and Dale.
Chip and Dale. He's
like
getting
that.
ready to throw snowballs. That's cute. Making snow angels. $29.99. The diner. Oh. It's not plugged in. No, they didn't plug any of it in. Oh, look at a pool. The whole thing is just, it's kind of funny actually.
That is kind of funny. You know what they should have done? You know how they have the ice skating things that
Oh,
do that?
you know what? Maybe
They could've
maybe
put
it does.
little floats on there, like
Right
little
here.
rafts
I think.
and stuff.
Is that it right here?
Yeah. They needed to put little rafts, and you know,
Santa and the reindeer.
and it is motion, so maybe they do float around. I was gonna say they should do like the ice skating rink with little inner tubes and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, they did.
That's cool. Okay. Let's see. Oh, you know what? They have something very similar in Michael's and Walmart. Oh gosh, look at that. Little tiny snow globes. Looks like they're $5.99. Makes their $4.79. You have Spider-Man, a cat skiing, chapel birds. Here is making memories together. No music or anything. Oh, this thing's gonna spin around. I mean, if you want really nice ones, Dillard's, you guys, you know, I've been sharing it. Dillard's has this whole collection. There's a snowman. Let me see it right here. Let me push the button. Candle holders, 15. Oh, this one. Big Lots used to have this, but we no longer have a Big Lots, you know. This would have been like 14 bucks in Big Lots. They do come with the remote. Here's a nutcracker. Again, these are 20% off. They're priced $45. $35. That's kind of pricey, honestly. Yeah, but they remind me of Big Lots. Remember Big Lots had all these sets?
They do. They should be like 15, 20 bucks.
That's what I was saying.
That's up way too much.
Hand painted ornament. Are these 50? They are $21. The glass hand painted ornaments are cheaper.
Most of the stuff they need to like just mark the real prices of 50% off.
We also have a penguin one. Cardinal. And the truck. So $22. They light up. Here's Rudolph. Penguin. There's a 6-hour timer. Ooh, a 6-hour timer. The snowman is $29.99. Let me see if I can turn around. Can we press this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
My hands on there.
That's cute at night. That's
It has
cute.
like this little fountain thing in it to blow the styrofoam around, like on this other one. But it's not very powerful of a motor.
No. These are pretty though. $30. Look at this tree one.
These tree ones are pretty. With all this stuff on them.
And the little one.
Those are pretty.
$29. Merry Christmas. We have the peanuts in here. Oh, I can't. No, I don't. Oh, the price is so tiny. $25. Why do they make them so tiny? The doggy ones, plaid, and of course, you know, your letter. Let's find out. These are $25. Little ones are $8 on the little mini stockings. They're cute. They're white and red. Stocking holders. Minnie Mouse in here. The tree. These are nice too. For $35. Little trees. These are $35. The felt, they have red and green for $25. So they're $25, which makes it $20. They will be $20. A lot of trees. That's cute. Shimmer nightlight. These are $25. They had a snowman. There was one that was like they were s'moring one year. But they also have cute night lights at Dillard's too. But they could be kind of pricey. I think some are $40. Almost like same price as Kohl's. It's a peanut one. Look at that. That's cute. Sweaters. It's $29.99. Look at this Winnie the Pooh one. This looks really cozy. I can't see myself wearing it. Stitch. Ugly sweaters, reindeer. The doggy with glasses. Snowman. They don't have eyeballs. Oh, what a nice decanter. Let me oh, $59.99 each. I feel like I like the top. I feel like I could find this top in Home Goods. Also, the decanter, I feel like could be a little nicer. I've seen nicer at Home Goods, so, but yeah. The trees with all the ornaments. I don't know where they keep on. Maybe they're just putting them on the tree. These look like those cookies. The gingerbread. See, yummy snow tree, $35. Oh, go to Home Goods. Well, let's see. 35 makes it 28. Still kind of pricey. 40. Oh yeah. Marshalls and TJ Maxx is where it's at. I mean, I like looking at their stuff. Look at this gingerbread train. Then we have Santa. He will be 50. The trailer and the little home, those are cute. Okay, that lights up. That's cute. $50. $50. So $40. More of these trees. These little homes, they have like a little door too. I like that believe sign. Oh, I found these in Ross. How much are they here? They're 30, so makes it 24 pretty much. These are cheaper in Ross. And they're full metal in Ross with a marble base, so don't sleep on Ross. But once you find it, you can't procrastinate and be like, I'll come back for it. No, you have to get it. More ugly clothing. The overalls, the cardigan. $15. And these hoodies or they're hoodies. Okay, like cozy stuff. They're 15. You have the plaid, one with Santa, and I believe the pants. Yeah. So they're 15 each if you want to be matched. The bear one is adorable. I would grab the bear one. So you have the hoodie bear, and you could buy the cozy pajama pant. Peanuts, Snoopy, Hello Kitty. They're all gonna be 30. They might be cheaper. I mean, they have those in Walmart. I'm just being real. These are 18. So very they look like pajama tops to me. Very stretchy too. Alright, you guys, and that is it for Kohl's. Actually, no. Let me go by the kitchen, like way in the back. I forgot because they had all the Christmas right up front when I walked in. But there's more. Excuse me. When I go all the way to the back. Okay, they have plenty of ornaments here. So the ornaments are 20% off. Let's find out. We have a cute snowman. These are 20, which makes them $15.99. So if you like these glass ones, Home Goods, right? The same price. You probably could find something you like. Really pretty. Look at the green. $30 makes it 24. So these are 20. This is a really nice one. Handmade in Spain. Oh yes, you guys know I love the handmade in Spain glassware. $10. So 10, $8. Yes, and the red. Ooh, they have it in like clear. See how pretty that is? Right? Too bad not in green. Oh, is this green? Let me find out. It is green. Okay. They also offer it in snowflake. Let me get into the light. Snowflakes. These are cute. Lots of wooden signs. We have the countdown. Merry Christmas. Cup of cheer. This gingerbread guy, you could put a little picture in it. Those are cute. These are 10. Oh, says Mama 2025. Abuelo. I've never seen these. 2025. Papa. 2 Santa Claus. Happy New Year's. And these are cute. Rudolph. And these could go on your stockings too, like just to hang from them if you really want to. And these are 10 as well. And then you're going to take 20% off. Oh, look down here. Pups First Christmas. Oh, how cute. They have a kitty one. And Happy Holidays. Find out. These are all 10. So they're all 10. And the jingle one. These are 10. Look at for your animals, and then you could put their name right here. That's the sad. We got cat, corgi, which we'll always see. Toppers. And this is $29.99. Gingerbread and the tin bow one. That's kind of cute. They have a vintage Santa sign. No idea. The price is at the bottom. Also have a nutcracker. 50. Wall art snowman. The bird. Santa with the deer. But they kind of remind me of the ones we've seen like in Burlington. Santa waving. $50. This is actually quite nice. It does light up.
Oh, it does?
On the side.
Is there a button?
On the side.
That's so
Oh, that would look
cool.
really beautiful at night. I love that.
I want this.
Is this on sale? It should be. I love it.
That's
50,
so
which makes it 40. Wait, is that 50?
Push it on your side so we can hold it up. Oh no. I mean. So you
That's
could show
pretty.
it.
Okay.
We figured it out.
And there's a better picture for you. Isn't that pretty, guys? This vintage pillows, really cute too. Right? These are 20% off. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. And Kohl's, so don't forget to check out Kohl's. Lots of frames for days, and some of this stuff is 10. I've gone through Kohl's before. They also have lots of toys, but if you are planning on shopping at Kohl's, I want to say Kohl's, I would wait. You know what I mean? Because they could get pricey. $70, $100. They even have, this is funny though, the Dyson. They have a Dyson. That is so, yeah. Oh, but then it'll make a mess. You have to clean that. Remember, you have to clean that. So
When I was a kid, I just like to play with the real vacuum. Actually, I think my mom said, "Yeah, this is fun. Try this." And I was like, "All right, I'll do the couches. I'll do everything because this is fun."
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh, look at that! Ready to grow garden. That's like so cute. So cute.
Never heard that before.